Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Thank you. So I've decided to do this video, a long-term review of the Skullcandy Crusher EVO, not only because my first video with the unboxing is my second most watched video on the channel, but also I wanted to share a bit more of my opinions after wearing these for close to 6 months, so half a year. And with the holidays and the Black Friday coming, I hope you can get these for a very nice sale like I did. Like I said in my first video with the unboxing and my first impressions, I got these for just 30 euros, which was insane. I've noticed that sadly these are not in stock on the official website anymore, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find them like on Amazon or eBay. The box is different depending on which color you're getting. So this is the box for the gray colorway. Nice sturdy box, cardboard box with a magnet. And of course, inside the box, there were the headphones in this pouch, which is padded with this plush material, and it has 2 pockets which are not secured for the 2 cables. Based on their instructions, this is how you carry these. Not really a big fan of this pouch, by the way. They at least give you something. My personal opinion is that these companies that make over-the-head headphones like these should include new ear cups in the box. I had to get these because for about 5 years I've been wearing my wireless Crusher. They don't look that well, but still work very good. The materials on the Crusher EVO are way nicer. Very nice feltish material here on the top. So there's no way this is going to start cracking in time. So they thought about that. Very nice and plush foam here for the head. The ear cups still with this classic ear cup material, which will start tearing away in the future. But other than that, very nice satin plastic material on these. And the big difference is that with the newer version, the cable that you can see here is now hidden. Let me show you some quick b-roll of these, and let me tell you about the things I don't like about them. The retail price is way too high, but I got these on a very big sale. For the price, there should be a hard case in the package. Another thing I don't like is the voice prompts. I've noticed they're not that loud. Also, the British accent doesn't really help when you're listening to music. Another thing is that the app doesn't work on all Android devices, and the app is kind of whack. A big thing I don't like about them is the fact that they added a separate button to turn them on, and it's on the left earpiece. With the previous model, the power button doubled as a play button, and it was on the right. Another thing I don't like is that there's no noticeable difference with the vibration if you have this connected wirelessly. I keep mine on halfway, but even with it all the way up, there's no big difference with the vibration. And one thing I've noticed while testing these for the long-term review, I wanted to see how these perform with the cable, and let me tell you, the vibration with the cable is unbearable. I've noticed there's a bit of a difference with the audio quality and the sound if you connect these to a Bluetooth 5.3 or the latest one or whatever this Fold has. And the final 2 things, which are kind of petty. First of all, in my city there's too many people wearing these, probably because there were a lot of sales. People think these have an actual speaker, like a car speaker with a membrane in them which vibrates. No, these have normal speakers, but inside the cups they have that type of motor you have in your mobile phone, which vibrates, is not the actual speakers. Let's get into the things I like about these, and first of all, these are still incredible. I'm going to say it for the last time, I really love the price I paid for these. I really like the audio without the vibration. The audio is actually quite clear to me, the vibration on these is addictive, and the vibration is even harder with the cable, as I was saying, close to unbearable. It might actually be dangerous. The materials are really great. The build is very nice, and it's definitely an upgrade. These fit well on my head at least. Also, the battery life. Honestly, the battery life on these is very good. I think those are the things I like about these. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to know something, I cannot recommend these enough. Honestly, buy these, buy them on a sale. So that is my long-term review of these. If you have any questions, let me know. Do me a favor and subscribe. I'll see you next time.